Today, I'm in the largest city in the Western Hemisphere. 21 million people here, and I don't know any of them. So when I hear the organ grinder, I think of you. You always made sure we tipped them. Do you have fog this morning? Still eating steel-cut oats for breakfast? Still wearing those sparkly tights to jumpstart Mondays? Still grabbing those tacos outside the hospital for lunch? Does your bathroom sink still leak? Do you have a new boyfriend? I want the bubbles and the smiles and the families. But this isn't my home. I don't belong here. And I only feel rooted when I hear that grinder, reminding me I'm completely alone.